Hello guys, this is Boy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice homemade ginger ale. Now I'm just going to make in one portion, so I'm just going to peel up my ginger. Now the good thing about making your own ginger ale is that you get all the healthy benefits and it is really nice, not so sweet. It is just the perfect way. It's more or less like you're having a drink to nourish your body rather than just like a carbonated drink or something like that. So now I'm just going to chop my ginger, because you have to cook it. Yes, I'm going to chop them up bit by bit. You need to actually cut it into tiny pieces so as to get the best out of the best flavor out of the ginger. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be pouring this diced ginger into this mini pot, and I'm also going to pour a glass of water, and then I'm just going to boil it. You're going to boil it for about 5 minutes, and after that you're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now it is best for you to leave the ginger in the hot water for about 20 minutes so as to get all the flavor, because you need your homemade ginger ale to just be full of burst of flavor. So you need that. Now I'm going to be cutting my lime into two. I'm using half lime here. If you want lemon you can also add, but I don't want a lot of acidic taste going on in my drink. I just prefer the peppery, the spicy flavor. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding half of the lime into the glass cup. And once I'm done with this, of course you can't do without the mint leaves. Now I've washed this mint leaves. I'm going to be putting about 10 mint leaves into my cup, and once I'm done I'm going to just heat it together, pound it together. I mean a little bit. You don't want to be hard, you don't want to break your glass, and you don't want to also overturn it. So this way, once you just pound it gently, and yeah, as you guys can see, you can see the juice coming out. So you just get it, you get the freshness, you get all that. I'm so sorry guys, I did not know my phone was not recording. Before I added the ice, I added simple serum, and now I'm adding my ice, and now I'm adding the ginger. Now this ginger I also added I added two cups of that, not one. I added two now, and I also added the tonic water, the Sprite, and I'm using this just for garnish, and it tastes really good guys. I'm going to put the recipes down. I hope you guys really enjoy. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I love you all. Bye. Let me know, okay? Bye.